Are you looking a thermal printer in 2025? This is the one. The completely updated model on 2025. There is new software driver, new technology thermal printer head, new technology design, everything. So look and finish is completely really awesome, and the touch feel also is very nice. Look at that. There is a one push mechanism is there. Just in one push you can open the door, and just below that there is on off switches are there, and in the back side you will get a LAN port, means you can connect with the multiple computers, and there is a cache drawer option is there, and there is a USB connection option is there, like for example to connect with your computer, and there is a power supply option is there. A lot of features are there, and this model is BOXB BR80UE. In the bottom side you can find the legs, and there is a hooks if you want to hang in the wall. Also you can keep it in the table. And when you are connecting to your PC, it's very simple. You can connect with your normal USB cable, and there is a power supply cable available along with this printer. Just connect it and look at the illuminated light. Press the feed button. You can take the paper also outside with clicking the feed button, and see. Now we are going to connect with India's most revolutionary billing software, Retail Daddy. From the Retail Daddy we will take some printouts. We are going to select some products. Just to take the printout, look at this. How beautiful it is. And if you are looking into the deep, clarity, the quality, everything looks great, perfect. And this printer having 5 years warranty all over India. Really, really great printer. BOXB thermal printer, 80 mm or 3 inch. Welcome to Retail Daddy.